quite all right, guys. Just got to the plot and my weather station has detected it is raining. I had every intention of filming me doing my onion harvest, onion and garlic harvest actually today. I'll do what I can, but I'm going to have to cut it short. And I was going to leave all the onions laid down up here because there wasn't any rain forecast yesterday for the next week, and now it says rain this afternoon and a bit more tonight, so I don't want to leave them out in the rain, do I? I even brought my plot map up so I could tell you what onions are what, because I forget. I'll do what I can and see how we get on, eh? I'll tell you what is weird. Let me show you this a minute before we get started. Ooch. Here we are. So see that then, that is a fresh compost with Rocket Grow mulch on top. Now the mulch is quite good actually, but everywhere I put that, everywhere, something digs at it, every time. So there's some there, look. Oh, let's get this off the tripod. Oh, it's raining a bit heavier now. See that? Someone's had a dig there as well. Oh yeah, look, I mean the beans over there. I mean the mulch has been scattered far and wide, you know what I mean? They're weird. Maybe I shan't be using it again. Did I put it on that bed down there? No, I didn't. See, these are all right down here. Right, let's get some of these onions up because it's spitting a bit now. Hello, Mr. Starling. You getting some slugs for me? Good. Yeah, it's raining quite hard now. Well, that didn't take long. The little screen on the back of the camera is all covered in raindrops already. Right, now they are Stuttgarter over there. But they were planted this year, I think, they bolted. There's no point leaving them, is there? So I'll grab those. Oh yeah, let's see what we got here then. Tiny. I mean, I know these have gone to seed, but I could still use the outside, so it's not too bad. This is the beauty about these beds, look, there's no need to dig them, they're so soft. And these are Stuttgarter as well. So let's grab these as well. They ain't going to get any bigger, are they? No, they're what you call it as well, look. God, I thought that was white rot then, it's perlite. They're small onions, but they're small onions I didn't have yesterday, aren't they? Okay then, in this bed here we have Troy, and they're gone over as well. So, let's put these here for now. They're not a bad size, they're not the biggest onions in the world, but like I said just now, you know, I didn't have any yesterday. Oh, that's garlic. Need that one. I'll get the garlic in a second. So there's the Troys. Not too bad, not too bad. Yeah, elephant garlic. Yeah, I'm gonna take those as well because they got rust and the leaves are going brown. So yeah, I'll give up with these. They don't look too bad at home actually. But yeah, not exactly elephant, are they? Still garlic. Right, in amongst the Spring Hero cabbage, we have Senshu onions. I'll get those in a minute. You want to see me lifting that net up. And there's also some Senshu here. So I'll get these as well. Well, these are a bit better size, look. Nice. Nice and clean onions anyway. Yeah, I quite like these. These are overwintered, definitely these ones. Okay then, so that is the Senshu. Yeah. Now, it just goes to show you the best laid plans and all that. My sheet has got these down as soft neck garlic. But you can clearly see they're hard neck. They got rust as well and the bottom leaves are dying. So I think the best thing to do is to take those as well. Right then, just gently with these. Oh, not too bad. So if these are hard neck, these are my bit of paper is all wet in the rain now, look. And because I've got an inkjet printer now, I got rid of my colour laser. The ink started to run. So these are chestnut white then, if they're hard neck. I'll have to check when I get home. Obviously all mixed up, isn't it? Ah, no. No. Talk at me ass. No. Something's wrong here. Hang on. So why are they red? Oh, oh, I'm all confused. Well, they've still got scapes on them though, haven't they? Yeah, they've still got scapes on, so they're hard neck. Isn't that weird? Oh, I don't know. Just like my red and white potatoes the other day. That's totally different, look. Right, quick bit of weeding before I go. I think that's about it, guys. Let's go and put these all at the top there and see what we got. Okay, then you see all that lot? Yeah. So we have Shensu onion, hardneck garlic of whatever variety, Troy onions, hippopotamus garlic because they're not quite elephant, and Senshu onions. Not too bad, and you can see the colour of the leaves of the garlic there, although you can see the rust definitely. So not a bad idea to pick those today. Now this is something I've never experienced before. These are second early potatoes, and they're going over weeks early, at least 3 or 4 weeks early. And these are see down there, kestrel. I'm just going to whiz you down to the next little bed. And these are even worse looking Vivaldi. And yet the first earlies, the Winston, which I said I'd lifted last video, but I didn't, got it all wrong, looking great. So why are the second earlies finishing before the first earlies? What are they? Vivaldi. And these are with the eyes rubbed off. Yeah, it says this foliage has gone right over. It's strange, I've never had second earlies go before first earlies before. But there you are. And the sort of upsetting thing, a bit, not upsetting, but you know what I mean, is I wanted these for the shows. And it's a bit early now because the first show is last week of August, I think it is, or just towards the end of August. I can't see these keeping, that's a nice one, that is. Can't see these keeping that long. Not doing too bad actually for rubbed off eyes. Hey up then. Hello, you right? Yeah, filming my potatoes. Oh my goodness. The things we get up to, eh? And this one was even more special, platted upside down. There you are, look. Right, so, lovely potato salad this afternoon to take to a barbecue. Very good. See how much they travel, look. Right, I'll do for here. No, I reckon that's it, you know, so just 2 for that one, look. Weird. Unless some of those have come over, I suppose. So this one then is eyes not rubbed off. Shall we go, mate? Okay, upside down. These don't feel very good, these ones. There's worms. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my fork in a minute and just go through this lot. Right, last lot then. Eyes not rubbed off and the right way up. thought there was more for that one. Well, that'll do. Right, there we have it then. Vivaldi. Rubbed off in that line there. Eye's not rubbed off in that line there, or chit's not rubbed off. And the centre ones were planted upside down. So it's not too bad really. That one there, eyes rubbed off and upside down, looks like to be the well, the best yield. So no rhyme or reason to this. Just a pity the foliage went over so quick, because there would have been a few bigger ones. Let's see if I can get half a dozen of those ready for a similar size for the show, and see if they'll keep. That's the big thing. Right guys, that's it, and better go making a potato salad. Right, I just checked the show schedule, and it's 4 white potatoes this year. So I'm going to save those 5. The back 4 are not too badly matched. I've had better, so I'm just going to wrap these up in kitchen tissue now. I'm not going to clean them or anything. I'm going to get them straight in the fridge like that, and hopefully they'll last, crikey, 2 months. We'll see. Well, there they are then, wrapped up, ready for the fridge. Fingers crossed that they last the 2 months. Well, I was up to plot in my best Yorkshire accent. I was up the plot the other day, and a lady said to me, "Why are you using a watering can to water your plot when there's a hose pipe right next to you?" And don't forget, our hose pipe comes from a lake, so it's not wasting mains water, if you know what I mean. And I said to her, "Let me show you this a minute," I said. So I've got my stopwatch there. I'm going to try it. Hopefully you can see that. We'll take a few seconds off at the end, but oh, hang on. I'm going to top the watering can up with the hose pipe. So there you are. Right, here we are. Had a few seconds, Steve-o. And we're on full blast here, mind. Ooh. Let's lock it on, there we are. I'll probably fast forward this a bit for you. 10 litre watering can, exactly the same as I got at the plot. So the one at the plot's got an orange spray end, rose end. I do like these ones. I like the curved handle actually, so you can hold it anywhere. So when you're pouring, you hold it here. When you're carrying, you hold it there. Getting there, guys. Nearly there, nearly there, nearly there. Oh, that'll do. That'll do. Stop. Stop. Right, here we are. Right then. Let me put that down a minute. There we are. That's just about 10 litres. And I hope you can see that. I'll try and zoom in. It'll probably be flickering on the screen though in my luck. 1:17, let's call it 1 minute 15 seconds for my dithering around. So what we did, we timed her watering her bed. It's about 30 seconds for the bed she was doing. And I said, well, I've just topped up a watering can and it took about a minute. So that's 10 litres a minute. So you put 5 litres on that whole bed. Do you think that's enough? And then what I did, I got my hands and fertiled around a bit and it was damp that far down. So anyway, this is why I use a watering can.